Welcome. Today, we are going to explore Python virtual environments. We will learn how to create isolated environments using venv and virtualenv. Virtual environments are isolated Python environments that allows you to maintain separate dependencies for different projects. Each environment contains a specific version of Python and its packages. This prevents dependency conflicts between projects. Virtual environments makes your projects reproducible and portable. There are several reasons to use virtual environments. First, they provide dependency isolation, keeping project dependencies separate from other projects and system packages. Second, they allow for version control, enabling the use of different versions of packages for different projects without conflicts. Third, they ensure clean installations, starting with only the packages you need and avoiding bloat from system installations. Finally, they facilitate easy deployment by allowing you to generate a requirements.txt file to replicate the environment on different machines. Let's compare venv and virtualenv. Venv is a standard library module since Python version 3.3. It requires no external dependencies. It creates environments with the same Python version and is simpler with fewer options. On the other hand, virtualenv is a third-party package that needs to be installed. It works with both Python 2 and 3. It can create environments with different Python versions and offers more features and configuration options. To install virtualenv, use the command pip install virtualenv. Let's see how to create a virtual environment with venv. First, navigate to your project directory. Then, create a new virtual environment using the command Pipenv and Poetry. To activate the virtual environment on Windows, use the command venv /scripts/activate. On macOS or Linux, use the command source -bin/activate. Finally, verify that the environment is active by running Python, which should point to -bin/python. Now let's create a virtual environment with virtualenv. First, install the virtualenv package using pip install virtualenv. Next, navigate to your project directory. Create a new virtual environment using the command virtualenv. To create an environment with a specific Python version, use virtualenv Python 3.8 venv. To activate the virtual environment, on Windows, run venv /scripts/activate. On macOS or Linux, use source -bin/activate. Once you have activated a virtual environment, you can install packages using pip install numpypandas matplotlib. To generate a requirements.txt file, use pip freeze >requirements.txt. Install from a requirements.txt file using pip install our requirements.txt. You can list all installed packages using pip list. When you are finished, deactivate the virtual environment by running deactivate. When you create a virtual environment, a directory structure is created. It contains everything needed to run Python and install packages, isolated from the system. Understanding this structure helps you better manage and troubleshoot your virtual environments. The directory structure typically includes a venv folder containing a bin folder, or scripts folder on Windows, with executables and activation scripts. It also includes an include folder for C header files, a lib folder with a Python y subfolder containing the site packages folder for installed packages and modules, and a pipenv.cfg configuration file with Python path and version. Here are some best practices for using virtual environments. Create one environment per project to avoid dependency conflicts. Include requirements.txt in version control, but exclude the virtual environment directory. Document setup steps in your project's README file. Pin dependencies by using exact versions in requirements.txt to ensure reproducible environments. For more advanced dependency management, consider using tools like Pipenv which combines pip and virtualenv with dependency management and lock files. Install it using pip install Pipenv. Poetry is another modern dependency management tool with declarative specification and resolution, installed via pip install Poetry. Conda is a cross-platform environment manager that handles non-Python dependencies and can be installed from anaconda.com. Lastly, Pipenv allows you to easily switch between multiple versions of Python. See its GitHub page for installation instructions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.